Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you guys do not know who I am, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome back to my channel. And before we go into the video, I would love to see you come back to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends and family. And one more thing exciting that it will be coming up will be, next video will be my giveaway video, so stay tuned. For me, I like celebrating everything. Seriously, everything. I find that I have not been playing with a lot of greens, and I realized that in my makeup collection I do not have a lot of green eyeshadows. So basically in this video I actually use two different eyeshadow palettes. If you have the shades, you don't necessarily need to use two palettes to create this look. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Truly hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, we'll get this video started right now. Okay, so going in with the very first shade, I'm going to pick up the BH Cosmetics Fall Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm picking up that very beautiful green shade. So I'm just going to take this and apply it all over my crease area. This is the only lightest green shade that I actually have, which is in the BH Cosmetics palette. Mixing with that green shade, I'm going to pick the shade called Jada and just blend that together with the green at my crease area, just to create a very nice crease color look, because this is a very bold eyeshadow look. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to pick up is called Enchanted, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it as low as I can at my crease area, and when there's less product on your brush, just blend it upwards together with the green that you have already applied. Then going back with the same brush which we used with the lighter green just now, just go in and just clear up your edges, because we don't want any harsh edges. Just go ahead and just clean that up. So once that is done, I am going to pick up the shade called Diva and apply that all over my lid, guys. I'm just going to use my finger and pop Pool Party right at the center of my lid. Actually, this part you don't actually need to use a brush. It's more about just dabbing it in the center and just a little bit of that pop. So the bottom lash line, I'm going to pick up the shade called Enchanted first and smoke out my lower lash line. And then we're going to go ahead and pick up Diva and smoke the lower lash line out, just to blend these two shades together. And then for the inner corner of the eyes, I'm not going to go with any other shade, but I'm actually going to go in with the same green, the very first green shade that we picked up. Then for my waterline, I'll be going in with the Longlasting Eye pencil from Essence, and it's called I Have a Green. Then for eyeliner, I'll be going in with my favorite, which is the Maybelline Hypersharp liner in Power Black. And then for mascara, I'll be going in with the X-rated mascara from Smashbox and just apply that to my upper and my lower lash line. Then for lashes, I'll be going in with the Lilly lashes in the shade Luxe. Then for contour, I'll be going in with the Zoeva Contour Spectrum palette and picking up this shade right here. And I'm using my Morphe Y11 brush, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline. For blush, I'll be going in with the NYX Ombre blush in the shade Code Breaker. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my contour, and you can just use any setting powder if you want to. I'm using my Makeup Revolution Banana setting powder. I'm just using this very cute flat brush to actually clean up my contour. Then once that is done, you just go ahead and brush it off. For highlighter, I'll be going in with the Zoeva Contour Spectrum palette, because they have like the highlighter shade right here. It looks pearly, but when you actually apply it onto your skin, it's actually champagne shade. It's a very nice champagne shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with fresh vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water, and this is actually kind of hydrating but at the same time sets your makeup, so I like this a lot. Alright, for lips, I'll be going in with the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade LugWig, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of HawkWind from Kat Von D. Basically, we are done, guys. So yes, I truly hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this video. I really like it. I really like it a lot, guys. So I truly hope that you guys enjoy it as well. Bye, guys.